Yeah, Augusta, this is Zach. Can I help you?
Hi, I just wanted to get a quote for a ride for now.
What will be your pickup address?
That would be 1838 Preservation Circle in Evans, Georgia.
And where would you like to go?
588 Foxhunt Lane.
Sorry. Where would you like to go?
Did it break out? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, you can.
Oh, okay, it breaks out sometimes. That would be that would be 588 Foxhunt Lane.
5'8".
588.
Yeah, and you said it is the Fox Trail, right?
No, Foxhunt Lane. Can you repeat it back to me?
I will. Okay. It's in which town? It's in Augusta. Or?
In Evans.
All of it.
Okay.
You said it's Fox Hunt Lane.
Yes.
H-U-N-T Lane, right?
Wait, just repeat, say it one more time.
It is 581.
No, 588.
And
28.
588 Fox Hunt Lane. Okay.
Yes.
How many passengers?
Yeah, one.
It cost you around about $23.
For roundabout?
Yes, $23.
28? Or they said
$23.
23? And then roundabout was
Yes.
40?
For the round trip, it would be, yes, like 23, 23.
I'll go ahead and finish
It's
your
46.
Oh, okay. Okay, then yes, just the one way. Yes. Yes, 100%, yes.
What is your first name?
And then Harless, Harless.
H-U-R.
Harless.
You call back number?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, let me send you the cab there as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you. Please, thank you. I got the text message.
All right.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.